So I'm thinking a few things. I've just been looking on YouTube into how hypodermic needles are manufactured, and it is completely stunning how we've developed manufacturing processes to create something amazing like a needle. A hypodermic needle, and obviously we use them and they're available from any chemist, no doubt. But the materials that are needed and the techniques and the machinery is all awesome as possible to create something like a needle. But we do it ordinarily. We do it like it's not really an issue. We just get on with it. But I just can't comprehend how it's possible to manufacture something like a needle. It's completely stunning. And it's making me wonder about humanity. And what it is I'm wondering if humanity is unique. In other words, are there alien creatures out there similar to humanity? And I'm thinking that looking on YouTube at the manufacturing process of a hypodermic needle, that way of looking at things is making me realize that humans are amazing in what we can do. And that also means to me that humanities must exist elsewhere. There must be alien creatures who are similar to humans in other places. Because if humans can operate to the level that we do and produce something like a hypodermic needle, it shows how things that seem impossible to do can be done quite straightforwardly. In other words, I'm thinking that we regard humanity as being unique and incredibly special, and the whole universe doesn't have anything in it that's intelligent apart from us. I think that that is foolish. I think, as I say, watching this YouTube about hypodermic needles, it makes me realize how much can be accomplished by intelligent people. And it makes me see that amazing things can be done quite straightforwardly. And it makes me understand that humanity is not unique. We're not particularly special. There are other humanity type creatures out there. There can't be a whole universe with just humans being intelligent. It's strange how this needle manufacturer has led me to this line of thinking. I think the issue is that something impossible to manufacture is manufactured. And maybe it's that way of looking at things because humanity seems unique. But maybe it just isn't. And most likely it just isn't. And it is amazing to essentially know that there are other intelligent species out there. I don't know if we'll ever meet them, but they're there. And then there's the question of what we would do if we met an intelligent species. And whatever it is, it probably won't be healthy. But when I look at what humanity has achieved, I mean, how could we create machinery to automatically produce a hypodermic needle? It's such a fine implement. It's so incredibly complex and so essential that it works flawlessly. yet we still manufacture processes, we still create the machinery to create these needles in an automated fashion, quite fast I imagine. And yet it's all amazing. I think the things humanity has accomplished seem impossible, but we do it anyway. And I'm thinking if we can do these things, then why couldn't other species do the same thing? Why couldn't there be other species? I don't think humanity is unique. And I think that other species could be less developed than us, and other species could be much more developed than us. It's incredible to essentially know that there are other species out there, and the only question is if we'll ever meet them in the infinite universe. It is interesting to be thinking along these lines.